Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 9th CBSE Maths Polynomials example 14. Let's see the question. Factorize y square minus 5y plus 6 by using a factor theorem. So we need to factor this. Here the factors of 6 can be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 or plus or minus 6. For this we can factorize this 1 6 are, 2 3s are, then that's all. These are the factors of 6. So we can write plus or minus 1, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 3. This can be any number can be factor of this. So take the last number, the constant term, check the factors of 6 and this can be a factor of this. Now let P of x is equal to the given polynomial y square minus 5 plus 6. First substitute plus or minus 1. I am going to substitute 1 for the sum. If I substitute 1, I get 1 minus 5 plus 6. This is 7 minus 5, 2, so 1 is not a factor. You need to get 0. Here I got 2, so 1 is not a factor. Let me check with P of minus 1. If I substitute P of minus 1 here, it becomes square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. Now this becomes 1. Here it becomes plus 5 and here it becomes 6. So this is not equal to 0. No need to calculate everything in plus, so you will not get 0 value. So it is not a factor. We'll move on to the next one. Plus 2 or minus 2. Let me take plus 2. If I take 2, it becomes 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. Here 4 minus 10 plus 6. Here plus 10 minus 10. So this is equal to 0. My first factor will be P of 2. P of 2 is a factor. So x is equal to 2. If 2 is the factor, then x will be equal to 2. If I take x to this side, it becomes x minus 2 will be a factor. Now I got x minus 2 as a factor. If you get one factor, if you find one factor, just divide this number with this. Divide y square minus 5y plus 6 with, sorry, this is y, so y minus 2. Y minus 2. Divide with y minus 2. You know that the remainder is 0. We can take the quotient y into y. You need to multiply this 2 to get this. So y into y, you get a y square. Now you multiply this 2, it becomes minus plus into minus. Minus 2 into y, 2y. Change the sign, you need to subtract. So change the sign, this get cancelled and here it becomes minus 3y. Because it is plus and minus, you need to subtract with a greater number sign. So it is minus 3y. Bring the number down. So plus 6, I am bringing it down. Now y into what gives you minus 3y. Plus into minus will give you minus. 1 into 3 will give you 3. And that is only y. So write. Now multiply these two. Minus into minus will become plus. 3 2s are 6. If you change the sign, I get 0. So my division is correct because it is a factor. You will always get the remainder to be 0. Now the other factor is the quotient, that is y minus 3. So you can write this to be y minus 2 and we need to factorize, right? So write it in multiply. Y minus 2 into y minus 3 is the factor. Remember that you need to put this is y is equal to 2 and bring the term over to the one side. So y minus 2 is a factor. People do mistake over here. So y minus 2 into y minus 3 is the factor for the given polynomial. I didn't do this polynomial by splitting the middle term. We are done by factor theorem. That's all with the sum. Thank you.